Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talk about the Spark program. Now the Spark program has started. The first road to be fixed under the Spark program is Everest Drive in the constituency of Kingston, Eastern and Port Royal. That is Philip Paulwell's constituency. And the Spark program has two parts. The first part is where they're going to be spending 20 billion to fix community roads, municipal roads, and another 20 billion that will fix main roads. The main roads are under the control of the NWA. But the community roads, it is the member of parliaments and basically stakeholders in the community. Discussions were held to decide which of those roads to be fixed. So the good news is over 600 roads are going to be fixed. Now originally they had said 2,000 roads, but they are starting with 600. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on these roads, on this program. Now, I just want to point out the Spark program is different from the REACH program. The REACH program is 5 billion to patch roads. That is where you have a pothole, they fill it and patch it. The Spark program is where they're going to redo the entire road with drainage, with fiber optic. They're going to put in fiber optic ducts. Basically, they're going to be rebuilding the entire road. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the start of this project. Everest Drive in the constituency of Kingston, Eastern and Port Royal is the first of several roads on which work has commenced under the government's 45 billion Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to our Road Network Spark project. The road, which is approximately 1.1 kilometers in length, is located in the community of Bayshore Park, Harborview. The scope of works being done in this area includes total rehabilitation of the roadways to include replacement of the base material, foundation, 6 inches of crushed aggregate, 1.5 inches of asphalted concrete for the driving surface, drainage, sidewalks, road signage and markings. Pedestrian walks and speed bumps were necessary. These specifications are to be used across all project areas. Ducts that will accommodate fiber optic cables at a later date will also be included. Addressing journalists during a tour of the project site on Monday, December 30th, Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness advised that approximately 600 roads will be extensively rehabilitated to a standard that should ensure a lifespan of 7 to 15 years, pointing out that this will have a positive impact on Jamaica's economy. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Okay. Dr. Holness said that the budget for the road program is a total of 40 billion, which will see 20 billion allocated for community roads and 20 billion for main roads. The budget also includes an additional 5 billion for water line improvements. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, tell us what you think about this program. Alright guys, have a good day. Oh, before we go, the main contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company. Alright guys.